I'm building a crypto trading bot network, and each week I make a video about how my bots did throughout the week, what the market was like, what I think is coming next week, and how I think it might affect bot trading and overall crypto trading in general. So let's go ahead and jump into what happened this week and the charts and review what we think might be coming up next week. So this week was another good week. We passed $500, which was huge. So $500, that's total, and that's recorded since July 22nd. So $500 mark, that's pretty awesome. Seems like just a couple weeks ago we were making a video about passing $100 or $200. In fact, I think it was just a few weeks ago. So that feels pretty good. I'm pretty excited about that. Again, the market has continued to be very volatile. So basically ever since we hit the spring a few weeks ago, things have been great. Again, been very volatile all over the place, and lots of money, lots of opportunity to make money with bots. So if we look at Bitcoin this week, we'll see that we just had this big jump up in the last couple of days, back to about 48,000. I would say it's maybe a little bit unexpected because I expect us to spend more time around 40,000. But actually, I think this is just kind of part of the normal market dynamics, and we're probably going to see a fall back down really soon, and maybe just kind of keep bouncing back and forth. So I have said for quite some time that I believe we're headed back down to 40 to 35,000 to kind of test the resistance down there. I think that we have new, very strong resistance between 35 and 40,000, which overall for the market is very great. Basically, I think if we repeated the behavior that we've seen previously many months ago, instead of us getting down to 30,000, I think we get down to 35,000 or so. So overall, the last few months I think have been very healthy for the crypto market. This is all part of something being very new and being adopted by lots of people at once. So things are going well. I'm expecting more downside back to 40,000, but again, it's really just kind of bouncing around. So it's a great environment for the bots, and our weekly profits have shown that. The same story is true for ADA and ETH. We're basically back to the levels that we were at 2 or 3 weeks ago. And again, I think we're just going to kind of keep bouncing around. If we spike up, I think that it'll be temporary, and we'll return back to about where we are and within a few weeks. So we'll see. The crypto I've been holding on to has been doing very well, made lots of gains. But again, the bots in their own right have been doing great as well. So you'll see for this week, we got $76, which is, I actually think, a little bit weak. There were some days in there that I only made like $3 or $4 or $5, which is pretty rare. But luckily there were a couple days that had quite a bit of money made. But I don't think it quite balanced out. So I think expecting around $70 in this type of market is kind of a new kind of floor of how little to expect. So pretty much I think these are overall going to be really strong weeks. The all-time profits now, like we said, are over 500. We hit that this week. That was amazing. But again, this is just since recording on this website and like starting this YouTube channel. So that's July 22nd. So there's been more gains than that. But since we kind of started this experiment and recording, we have $517, and that's almost 40% return. So in week 11, since starting this website and starting the YouTube channel, it's almost a 40% gain. So I think that's pretty amazing. Again, these are fairly modest profits week to week, but they accumulate quickly, and it's great. I really love it. It's so awesome to see. It's like the best type of notification you can get each day, or throughout the day that you're making money. So that's it for the week. It was a big kind of week getting to this 500 mark. Another good week overall, $76, and the market was just kind of as expected. I mean, we had that big jump up in the middle of the week, which was cool. But again, I think it's just going to kind of bounce back and forth. So I think anyone doing bot trading that's observing large swings is going to do a good job. And if you have any bot strategies that you'd like to share or talk about, please share those in the comments or on our Reddit. So thank you very much, and see you next week. Bye.